I'm all about trying to bring out all the natural flavor in foods with a little bit of enhancement, maybe olive oil, butter, and a little salt and pepper. We're gonna make a very, very easy but tasty salmon. The salmon is gorgeous, and all we're gonna do is rub it down with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of feisty fish rub seasoning. It's going in the oven on 400 degrees. It's gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes. While that's roasting up, we're gonna make some garnishes. While the salmon is cooking, we want to get started on those garnishes. And you want to use ingredients that complement the salmon. What we first want to do is, using a peeler, slice long strips of the cucumber. We're simply going to roll those up, make those look real nice. Next, we're going to cut some lemons in half, and using a tomato shark, or if you have a knife, we want to clean out the inside of the lemon. We're going to cut off the backside so it stands up. Some lemon twists. We're going to trim up some fresh dill. And we're gonna slice some radishes very, very thin. To plate this up, you wanna slice it very, very thin on a bias with an extremely sharp knife. Be careful if the salmon is still hot. We're simply gonna fan it out on a plate. Next, we're gonna add in some lemon dill sauce right into that lemon cup. Go ahead and pop in a few sprigs of dill. Next, add on some radishes and some of those cucumber wheels we made. Last, we're gonna simply put some sliced radishes all over the salmon, follow it up with some microgreens, capers, some lemon twists, and boom, we're finished. This is absolutely beautiful, and the taste is so simple yet so elegant. Your family's gonna die when they see this. They're gonna think it's absolutely fantastic and beautiful looking. I've got a beautiful dish to eat. We'll see you next time.